Yeah, man. Welcome to another episode of um, Truths of Faith in Life. Eh, inyaniso sokholo nobomi ngesixhosa. You know, within myself, I really wish to make these videos as be airy, look fancy and all that. But for what, man? For what? For what? Thanda izinto. Okay. Apha like ndifuna sike sijonge uthando. Abazalwane uhlobo ababe lubongoza ngayo uthando. Like even like when you listen to someone ethetha, before umjudge, you must understand the way he see things. Because if you can't understand the way enza ngayo izinto nento emzise umhlambi to the end of inkolo le yakhe or akholelwa kulo, whatever akholelwa kuyo, you will always misunderstand the main concept about why he is like that. So apha it's a privilege because the people who work at the light before, they have made means to put some truths down for I and I to find. Yabo, either they were real or either they were not real, but the fact that someone write the thing and the thing is there, we are not going to focus on reality or what is not true or what, but we're gonna focus in like what is written. Is it true, regardless of who read it or the man who was saying what really existed or didn't exist? You see? Yeah, that's why we said truths, yabo, of faith in life. So let us go there. The way of love, kwabasekorinte 1, indlela yothando. Like ndike ndive abazalwane most of the time basoloko bepreach into nokubana we must love one another, yabo, like yasi, and ke kuyabonakala ukuthi uthando is a very 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 important thing. Uthando is a key. So under zonke situations esiphila kuzo, imeko esikuzo, uthando is the key. Maske sizivele ba imboni za ancients, the brothers who are said to walk at the light, bathini bona? We are not saying there is no negative in everything, like azange exist ubani kanye what there is that thing, but abantu kudala baxoxa ngalo nto and abantu bane-energy yophekisa. So apha i-purpose sayi into engathi it does not make sense or umphikiso what, we will put it aside. Yabo, apha we are looking at what we can find as true. Yabo, yeah, the truth, that which is like that, which cannot be changed. So kuthiwa apha the way of love, kwabasekorinte 1 chapter 13 verse 1, ithi le nkosi ibhale apha, ithi if I speak in tongues of men, yava ke, ukuba ndithetha ngeelwimi zabantu and of angels, ngeelwimi zengilosi nangeelwimi zengilosi, but have no love, anathando, I am a noisy gong or a clanging cymbal. When cymbals go izaweza abantu bakhalisa amaxilongo like isikhona ezatshetshi ngathi ziziyo ndikhalisa amaxilongo, you are like that. You see, you are making a lot of noise without love. And if I have prophetic powers, esibhalweni ngokuthethwa ngee-powers yabo uSuperman ngosiyava abantu baye babe nazo nyani ipower yabo so prophetic powers yabo ipower ayamani power yabo not nje power yazazi mos powers. Ignore the flight. Yes, so if I have prophetic powers and understand all mysteries, so apha amaske simancinci yasi. So if I understand all mysteries, meaning apha esibhalweni siyachazela uba kukho into mysteries, izinto ezifihlakeleyo yabo, meaning xa mysteries aziwana ngothathatha uyabo. So everywhere there are mysteries. Ndixolela ngesound background akhona noyenza people yabo, my neighbors. Yeah. So even if you understand all mysteries and all knowledge, even though it is impossible most for that thing to happen, but ke siyazi uba kuthiwa zikhona mysteries and all knowledge, and I have all faith and all faith so as to remove mountains. Noba ungakholelwa kangakanani ube yinqawo, benolo lwazi lakho naloo mandla akho obuprofeti yabo, noko kuqonda kwakho kunzulu, ukuba you don't have love, yasi, with but I have no love, I am nothing. So ke ngokuthi if I have faith so as to remove mountains but I have no love, I am nothing. Yasi, why uthando lubaluleke kangaka? Because kwi-gift yakho onayo, kwinto oyiphiweyo or kuloo mandla, to those prophetic powers you have, do you have love? Meaning xa une-prophetic powers u-understand mysteries, ufana noKing Solomon mos, can command even unseen things. Are you in that realm with love? Because if you are not in that with love, you are nothing. Akutsho mna kutsho isibhalo. So maske sizame uqonda uba hey, uluthando yintoni olunjani. Ulo mzalwane kayithetha apha kuCorinthians, love is patient and kind. So funeka ube nesineke awungumuntu onothando. Meaning ke ngoku yabo xa kuthethwa ngothando ngoba kuthiwa lu-patient, lu-kind, meaning some of us sineenqali, sinamaqwakaza ethu, we got all those things yabo. So excuse me, so sineenqali zethu yasi. So we can't, like, excuse me for your background guys, people, I don't want to manenthetha ngale way okoko izandikhupha ke concept. So ezinqali zethu that we have zizo ezisibhadenayo into nokubana we can't know love uba lunjani. Kuthi ke ngulo mzalwana apha, love is patient and kind. Be patient when you have love. So if uthando lu-patient, lu-kind, kunzima uba patient ungumntu yabo. So it's something that you have to practice. So zawumane ufola like ibaby, sometimes ulibale, ushawutise, utreat abantu wicked, but when that consciousness come, remember and fix yourself. Yep. No one is perfect. So love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. Yep. You must humble yourself when you have love. Awuhambe uzonda abantu, uhambe uba nomona like zi-success zabanye abantu ungafili kamnandi yabo. Why can't you just approach the man and ask for him to help you, and then pray mhlambi ke according to your faith be might provide another opportunity if you don't Like if when yourself you don't have, you didn't get what you want. So upper love does not envy, does not boast. Love, it is not arrogant, man, or rude. You know, qinelwe inhloko unothando. Anti ndim mna. Hayi yabo xa nisixelela jonga abazabona, bazanibona namhlanje uba ndingubani. Yabo? Ya. Goliath like. Enkonzweni sometimes. Yabo? Oh, bayahleba, move them away, move them away. No. Not bonke. Bangana island, but not bonke. Khona bangena choice there, you must take them out of that situation. So love does not boost. Awubi krwada. You don't be rude when you have love. Love, it does not insist on its own way. Alubandezi uthando. Na like ubathanda njani ubani? How can ube connected nobani ungumzalwane? How can uhlale nobani abachaya insangu ungumzalwane? Like oh rust uchaya njani insangu? Phafe kodwa ungumzalwane uthi yashuma like you know. Alubandezi uthando, subandezi uthando, king. Just give it free. Free, love anyone. Be full of life, you know. Love, it is not irritable or resentful. You know, like uthando anala nokuthi wasisidina kubona hayi uyandika ubani yathanda uzocela isweki lapha endlini ubani kubona hayi suka bayalamba pha bayadika okwasuloke emdaka ubani you know that is not the way. Ingaba abantu ababaqangileyo kule area nithi niki holiness together, do you see these things around the people abaqangileyo? Wena mntana wokhanyo, you have a mission, or who work very hard to find himself in the light so that you can liberate others too. A light is 360 degrees, so I don't care which angle you are at, man. I'm on my angle also, but I'm talking to you from your angle, from where I sit also, from here to you. So love, it does not rejoice at wrongdoing. Itsho le nkosi, hayo uncedile, bazotsho bakwazi, bazawunya, ya uncede ngqo, badika ukufa. Umzalwane, a holy person, a heavenly being. Nenzani kanye kanye? Or endawo nifunda kuzo nifundani kanye kanye? Okay, ubabuze. Awuqoquki ngomuntu kaMthando, awubi nasidina, you know. But rejoice with the truth. Uthando does not rejoice in wrongdoing, but rejoice with the truth. Uma lento ndiyithethayo ndiyitolikayo, because I'm not taking anything, le ndiyitolikayo ithethwa ngubrother here, ukuba ayikufilisi grand, you are not rejoicing to the truth. The truth does not make you rejoice. So meaning you don't have love. If you don't know if you have love or you do, check this way, the way of love, so you can find it. Bayingabithetha nawe na le way. KwabaseKorinte 1 chapter 13. Yes. Love bears all things. Akuthiwanga ke ngokwaba love bear the good ones or only the bad ones. Good and bad, love bear all things. Ungakwazi wena kule nkolo yakho uhlala side by side nomuntu okwenye ifaith nikwazi uthetha ngento eyi-one. Someone who is looking at the sun from a China uphethe phone, can you talk to him and explain ilanga if it's more like share the same direction of a vision towards the sun? Like umhlanga semini, like ehlobo loba kuseminami, can you and call him, yeah, iske ndiyalibona man ilanga iske, okay sure. The man is a China, when you see the sun you will see the sign there in China, but when I will see sun here in South Africa, you see. So love bear all things, yabo, and tell the man, oh, I'm seeing the same thing my Lord you are looking at here. Can you live side by side with that man and explain, the sun is shining my king, you see, because kuwe libonakala South Africa kuye libonakala lingapha, but neither both of you is right, because ilanga is wherever you at, nina bake different spaces. Can we share what is common we see in truthness without division? Because this one is in this platform, this one is in that platform. That's why most of people define themselves like they can't talk with other people, you see. So uto upper love bear all things, yabo, believes all things, yabo, hopes all things, endure all things, yabo. Then ke ngoku kuzothiwa xa kuhliwa ku-8 kuthiwa love never ever 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 ends. Yho, ndandimthanda ngoko lo wasikwandika man, you know. Suka ubani, kananyana ubani undrobhile ngoku ebehamba nobani, bandenze into ethile, ubani bandithi, so how can I love those such a, I wish them dead, you know. So this is what the Bible is saying about love. Yes, love does not end. So those of I and I who walk in love, we know we walk in eternity, you see. We don't care what gene you wear, what side that is shown in the sun, you see. If we can see you, we must scrape you from the side that is visible and put you forward in the light. Give thanks for everything that is good to the creator of life, for everything that he created and made, for the breath of life, for the knowledge, wisdom and understanding, even for the nature rules, the cosmic forces that govern I and I. We give thanks and praise also. Sila.